What's the meaning of counterbalance? Counterbalance. Counterbalance.
Counterbalance. Counterbalance. Counterbalance refers to the process of using a weight or force to balance out another weight or force in order to attain stability. When an object is tilted or unbalanced, a counterbalance is used to bring it back into equilibrium. For example, a crane uses a counterweight to balance the weight of its load. The result of counterbalancing is that the object becomes stable and less likely to topple over or malfunction. It is a crucial process used in many fields such as engineering, construction, and physics to ensure safety and precision.